Good day everyone. Today I will be discussing understanding health and fitness stretching components and aerodynamics. Next slide. Understanding health and fitness. Understanding health and fitness encompasses key concepts that promote overall well-being. These presentations highlight the critical roles of physical activity in enhancing health, improving quality of life, and fostering a balanced lifestyle. Next slide po. Now let's move on types of stretching. The first type of stretching is static stretching. Static stretching involves holding a position for a set period and it is ideal for increasing flexibility. An example activity is reaching down to touch your toes and holding that position. So sa static stretching po, ito yung stretching na hindi natin kinakailangan gumalaw sa pwesto. So, ito yung example nito is yung nakatayo lang tayo kapag ginagawa itong stretching na to. Next po. Dynamic stretching. Dynamic range of motion to prepare for activity, such as performing leg wings to warm up the legs. So, yung example daw po ng dynamic stretching is yung leg wings or yung warm up para ma-warm up yung legs natin. Sa dynamic stretching, kinakailangan na buong katawan ay gumagalaw. Dito sa stretching, kailangan natin na magpalipat-lipat ng ibang lugar o para magalaw natin yung buong katawan natin. Next po. Next is ballistic stretching. Ballistic stretching uses momentum to push the body beyond its normal range of motion. An example is bouncing into a stretch, which an enhanced flexibility but should be done cautiously. Next po. The next one is PNF stretching. Proprioceptive neuromuscular facilitation or yung tinatawag na PNF. It involves stretching and contracting the muscle group being targeted. An example is the contract relax stretching technique often used in rehabilitation. Next slide po. Active stretching. Active stretching requires the individual to actively engage muscles to hold a position. An example is twisting a leg and holding in the air without assistance, promoting strength and flexibility. Next. So understanding statistic stretching. Statistic stretching consists of extending a muscle or a group of muscle of the further point and holding the position for a certain duration. A common example is the toe touch stretch, where one reaches down towards their toes and hold the position to enhance flexibility. So isang common ng example na itong statistic stretching is yung toe touch stretch. Sa statistic stretching, bibigay ito ng stretch sa ating katawan, kagaya ng nasa picture dyan sa presentation. Next po. Next is the dynamic stretching. Here are some key facts of dynamic stretching. Prepares the body for activity. Dynamic stretching is an active form of stretching performed before workouts to enhance performance and flexibility. It involves moving parts of your body and gradually increasing reach, the speed of movements, or both. This helps to warm up the muscle and joints, reducing the risk of injury during physical activity. Next po. Example ng dynamic stretching is leg swings. Sa leg swings, ito yung common dynamic example ng dynamic stretching activity. Kinakailangan mong i-swing yung isang leg mo forward and backward while maintaining balance. This movement includes hip, flexibility and warm up the lower body for activities such as running or jumping. Next, next example is yung arm circle. Arm circles are another effective dynamic stretch where the arms are rotated in circular motion, both forward and backward. This exercise helps to loosen the shoulder joints and enhance upper body mobility, preparing the arms for body for activity. Next, ballistic stretching, utilizing momentum for flexibility. Ballistic stretching involves using momentum to extend the body beyond its typical range of motion, which can enhance flexibility. An example of this is bouncing into a stretch, like repeatedly bouncing down to touch your toes. Next slide. Propri- Proprioceptive neuromuscular facilitation or ENF stretching. Next po, enhanced flexibility. ENF stretching is a technique that combines stretching and contracting of the muscles just being targeted. It is typically involves a partner who assists in the stretching practice, enhancing flexibility more effectively than static stretching alone. Next slide. Next slide. Use in rehabilitation. It is widely used in rehabilitation settings, helping patients recover mobility and strength following injuries. The technique enables better muscle coordination and healing. Next slide po. Three phases of DNF. DNF stretching typically includes three phases: the passive stretch, an isometric contraction, and final passive stretch. This cycle effectively increases the range motion. So, yung TNF stretching po, sabihin natin, ito yung stretching na kinakailangan natin ng kasama para magawa natin to. Next slide. Active stretching, engaging muscles for flexibility. Next slide. Slide. Active stretching involves using your own strength to hold a strength without external assistance. An example is lifting one leg and holding it in place to increase flexibility in the hip area. So yung sa active stretching, magagawa mo din natin kinakailangan ng assistance. Example is yung lifting one leg. Components of self-related fitness. The first, the first component is cardiovascular endurance. Cardiovascular endurance is essential for overall health. It reflects the efficiency with which the heart, lungs, and muscle work together during sustained physical activity. It improves cardiovascular endurance, can lead to better performance in sports and daily activities. So sa cardiovascular, next po, muscular strength. Muscular strength is the maximum amount of force a muscle can exert in a single effort. This component is vital for performing daily activities and maintaining a healthy body composition. As it, as it supports metabolism and overall health. The muscular strength naman, babalik naman tayo. Sa muscular strength, kinakailangan mo na gamitin yung buong lakas ng katawan mo para magawa to, para magawa yung component na to. Next slide. Next is muscular endurance. Muscular endurance refers to the capacity of muscles to maintain repeated contraction against resistance for an extended period. This is crucial for activities that require sustained effort such